So today we are to find out a two-sample t-test, how to do one. It's a two-tailed one, which means there's an upper limit and a lower middle limit. So two-sample essentially means that you take two different samples from population. So our example question is that you want to know if Indonesia produces more palm oil than Malaysia annually. The table below includes the mean, standard deviation, and sample size of each group. At an alpha of 0.05, determine if the amount produced are the same or not. So as you can see in this table, Indonesia, Malaysia on average they produce 43 million tons per year, whereas Malaysia produce about 20 million tons. The standard deviation for Indonesia in this case is 5 and Malaysia 7. Sample size for Indonesia is 10 and Malaysia 12. So you can see our equation right here. It's a big one, but basically you just put in the numbers, you substitute in it. So the mean of our first sample is 43, as you can see here, 43 minus 20, and then here we have the sample size of our first sample, which you can see here is 10. You put in 10 minus by 1 times the standard deviation of our first number, the square of it, which is in this case 5, plus the sample size of our second sample minus 1 multiplied by the standard deviation of our second sample, which in Malaysia it's 7 here, the square of that. And finally, the denominator of the denominator, here we would put sample size of first sample, which is 10, as you can see here, 10 plus 12, and then minus 2. So if you were to key this in the calculator, you would get a figure of 5.68. So 5.68 is to be 23 divided by 5.68 gives us the answer of 4.04. So 4.04 is bigger than our critical value of 1.96. So in conclusion, we reject the null hypothesis because there is a difference between these two